Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Kia Soul brake pads. Park on level ground and engage the parking brake, then loosen lug nuts before lifting the car on jack stands. Remove the wheel, inspect rotor condition, and compress the caliper piston with a C-clamp. Replace old pads with new ones, reinstall caliper bolts, torque lug nuts to spec, and test brakes with gradual stops before driving normally. Start by gathering parts and tools. New pads, jack stands, 19mm socket, torque wrench, C-clamp, and brake cleaner. Wear gloves and eye protection, then work on one side at a time to avoid confusion. Take photos of caliper and hardware for reference, remove retaining clips, and clean mounting surfaces. Reinstall hardware in original order, then bed new pads by performing several controlled stops from moderate speed. Check brake fluid level and top off if needed. Quick recommendation: if you like organized workspaces, try these leak-proof meal prep containers for lunches and part storage. They stack neatly, seal tight, and resist odors so you can stash bolts, rags, or your sandwich without leaks. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the link and other deals, and remember the containers when planning your next service day. Now let's get back to the video. Common mistakes include not using jack stands, failing to compress the piston correctly, and reusing worn hardware. Avoid contamination of pads with oil or grease by handling pads by the backing plate only. If rotors are deeply scored, consider resurfacing or replacing them for best braking performance. After reassembly, double-check torque values, pump the brake pedal to restore pad position, use thread locker on guide bolts if recommended, and test at low speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.